Прилагательные. We all know that adjectives describe a noun or pronoun. In English, we don't change adjectives according to the noun we are describing. Russian adjectives have to agree with the noun that they modify. So, if we want to describe this cheese, we have to use an adjective in nominative case, masculine and singular. We can say этот сыр большой, желтый, вкусный, свежий и твердый. Now we will practice. I'll show you two sentences and we will try to add the same adjective describing different nouns. The adjective we are going to use is small, маленький. Our first sentence is девочка идет в школу. As you see, we've got two nouns, девочка, girl, and школа, the school. In English, you would use the same form of the adjective you found in the dictionary, and it would sound like маленький девочка идет в маленький школу. And it wouldn't make sense at all. We have to remember that Russian adjectives have to agree with the noun that they modify. So let's look at our first noun, девочка. It is in nominative case, it is singular and feminine. Now we are going to look at a table and find the same form of adjective маленький. As you see, feminine, nominative case, singular. The form we are looking at is маленькая. The same way, we are going to find the right form of the adjectives for nouns школа, девочки, and хомячки. Our new sentences are маленькая девочка идет в маленькую школу and маленькие девочки играют с маленькими хомячками.